This is Okada, and this is the Pearl Wing, room number 762, Executive Suite. And this is your entryway. This goes into your secondary powder room. This side goes into your own personal massage room. Comes in 2 robes. Let's go this way to the master bedroom. It's a full king-size bed, 70-inch TV, 2 sitting couches. This one goes into a walk-in closet. Very room, lots of hangout room. And this door goes into your full bathroom. So now there's a stand-up shower over here. There's a toilet on the other side. Here's your soaking tub. That's the view. No balcony. View of Okada. And as you see over there is Manila Bay. And her sink is over there. Look out to the room. And this brings you to full living room. There's an office. Another TV here. Personal L couch and a full dining table over here, 8-seater. And final part of this room is the bar. You have your coffee maker, kettle, comes with cups, everything you need. Glasses. It now comes with water this way, so you can get free refills. Don't need to buy any water, and somewhere here should be a private bar, trash can, and another private bar. So 2 private bars. There you go, Okada Pearl Wing Executive Suite.